Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So, let us go back to our prepositions. Today, let us learn certain things about smoking. The preposition which will come when we use smoking is injurious to or smoking is bad, etc. So, let us do it. So, you often have heard warnings like smoking is injurious to health, right? So, whenever injurious is coming, it is always to. Smoking is injurious to health. But in the place of injurious, suppose bad is coming. Here bad is coming, so we have to say smoking is bad for lungs. Smoking is bad for lungs. Smoking is bad for health, etc. Injurious to and bad for. So these are the differences. Hi. Let us go to our next prepositions. So here, look at all these three sentences. These three sentences are related to writing. I will read these sentences one by one. First one, she writes dash her left hand. Next one, she sent the letter dash hand. Third one, you should write your answer dash ink. So all these three sentences related to writing, but in all these cases, different prepositions will come. So I will write the options first. While filling these spaces, we can use any of these prepositions. First of all, she writes dash her left hand, meaning that she uses her left hand to write. So we can use the preposition with. She writes with her left hand. Second one, she sent the letter dash hand. The meaning is that she didn't post the letter or she didn't just depend upon any other means, but she took the letter herself or she might have given to someone else personally to just give the letter to someone else. So here the preposition is by. She sent the letter by hand, meaning is that she didn't depend on any other means, but she took the letter personally or she has given the letter to someone to give somebody else. Third one, you should write your answer dash ink. Here the preposition in will come. You should write your answer in ink. That means using ink, you have to write. You have to use an ink pen to write. To our next topic. Today I am dealing with dangerous things like smoking, death, etc. So, next sentences. He died dash an accident. So, which preposition will come when accident is there? It is in. He died in an accident. If it is accident, it is in. The next one is he didn't die in an accident, but instead he died means due to malaria, right? It is a disease, not an accident. So here we cannot use in. He died of malaria. He died in an accident and he died of malaria. Next topic. My neighbor is envious dash me. Envious, if you know the meaning, it will be very easy. The meaning of envious is jealous. So when jealous is coming, obviously the preposition is of. So same is the case with envious. My neighbor is envious, meaning jealous of me. Next one. Do not boast dash your wealth. You may be having so much wealth. So you may be speaking highly about your wealth to someone else. So it is told, it is a warning. Do not boast dash your wealth. That means do not speak highly of your wealth. Do not be too much proud of your wealth. So here the preposition is of. Do not boast of your wealth. Next one. Next two can be taught together. The blind man lives dash begging. So how does the blind man live? He lives by begging. Next one. The beggar lives dash hand to mouth. So if we understood the meaning of hand to mouth, it is easy. Living from hand to mouth means having enough money to sustain in this world. That means not having too much money, only having enough money to just what we can say live in this, to survive in this world. So here the preposition is from. The beggar lives from hand to mouth, meaning is that the beggar somehow survives with the little money he earns. So these are the sentences. Hope you have understood, and I am concluding today's lesson. Thank you.